In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF in Salesforce with Visualforce and Apex. By the end, you'll have a clean, downloadable PDF generated right from Salesforce using a simple Visualforce page and, if needed, an Apex controller behind it. Start by signing into your Salesforce org. Make sure you're working in a sandbox or a developer environment if you're experimenting, and confirm you have permission to create Visualforce Pages. From the main interface, open Setup using the gear icon, then open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the area where we can configure and build platform features. In the Quick Find box, type Visualforce Pages and click it. Visualforce is Salesforce's server-side UI framework. It lets you describe a page with tags and components that Salesforce renders on the server, often paired with a standard controller or a custom Apex controller to fetch and format data. One of its superpowers is that a single page can be rendered as HTML for preview or as a PDF with Salesforce's built-in PDF engine, making document generation reliable and consistent. Click New to create a fresh page. You'll see fields for the page's metadata and a large editor for the markup. Enter a clear, human-friendly label that describes your document, like Invoice PDF or Opportunity Summary. The unique name will automatically populate based on the label. Keep it concise and readable. It becomes part of the page's URL and is useful for referencing the page elsewhere. Now write your Visualforce markup in the editor. Every page starts with the Apex page tag. This is where you define important attributes, such as which controller you're using to supply data. To turn the output into a PDF, set the page to render as PDF by using the renderAs attribute. Inside the page, structure your content with standard HTML tags and Visualforce components, bind data with merge expressions, and style with CSS. Keep in mind that the PDF renderer supports most, but not all web fonts and CSS rules, so stick to common fonts and straightforward styling. If you reference images or style sheets, store them as static resources to ensure they're accessible to the renderer. When your markup looks good, click Save and Activate. Activation makes the page available according to your org's configuration, and from there you can securely expose it to users who need it. If you preview the page, the browser should display or download the generated PDF based on your settings. That's it. You've created a PDF in Salesforce using Visualforce and, optionally, Apex for your data logic. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more.